Hi folks, my name is Christian Brindle, licensed insurance agent, Medicare health plan expert and specialist right here in Utah, and I own a company called Christian Brindle Insurance Services. Today I wanted to talk with you about two very popular, very polarizing Medicare supplement plans that have been around for some time. One of them has been around since 1992, one of them has been around since 2010, and that would be the Medicare supplements known as Plan F and Plan G. Now, Plan F is a plan that basically comes through and pays after Medicare, similar to every other Medicare supplement plan we have available to us. Medicare supplement plans essentially work in a way to where they're going to come through and pay after Medicare. Medicare Parts A and B are typically going to cover medical expenses. Medicare Part A will cover the hospital, meaning the hospital room, the bed, the walls. Medicare Part B will cover all the doctors in the hospital, the anesthesiologist. They'll cover doctor's appointments, outpatient surgeries. They both cover other things, but essentially those are the main key points. Medicare is going to cover 80% of those charges. A Medicare supplement is going to come through and pay the 20% of what Medicare leaves behind. The different Medicare supplement plans are basically going to determine which one covers more of what Medicare leaves behind than another. Plan F, essentially, is a plan that came into the equation in 1992. It is the only plan that is full coverage. As long as it's a Medicare-approved charge first, it is also going to be picked up by your Plan F. So basically 100% of what Medicare leaves behind, that 20%, Plan F is going to come through and pick up. It's going to be the plan that's going to come through and pick up these charges. Now, Plan F also has a key aspect to it, and that is who is eligible for a Plan F. Starting January 1st of this year, a bill took place called the MACRA bill. And essentially, in a nutshell, what the MACRA bill did was it caused people that were newly eligible for Medicare starting January 1st and going forward of 2020 that they will not be able to pick up a Plan F as well as also another plan called a Plan C. So Plan Fs are no longer available with any insurance company for people that turn 65 starting January 1st going forward into the new decade. That is not the case with a Plan G. Plan G essentially is identical to a Plan F in every single way. You can think of Plan F as in F for full coverage, or you can think of Plan G as, we usually call it G for greatest value. And the reason for this is because typically the only difference between a Plan F and a Plan G in the Medicare supplement world is the Plan G does not cover something that is known as the Medicare Part B deductible. Now that deductible can fluctuate. It can go up from year to year, but at this very moment in time that you're watching this video, the Medicare Part B deductible is only $198 one time per year. After that deductible is met, you have full coverage for the remainder of the calendar year. The only difference between the F and the G is the F is going to pay this deductible, whereas the G is not. Now you might be asking yourself, well, Christian, why would I want a plan that comes with a deductible when I can get a plan that doesn't come with a deductible? It's very, very simple. It's the price. Typically, Plan Gs are on average $30 a month cheaper, sometimes more a month than a Plan F. So if the only difference in coverage between an F and a G is this $198 deductible right here, but you're saving $30 a month, which $30 a month over the course of 12 months equivalates to $360 a year, and sometimes greater if you're saving even more than that, which sometimes people do. It kind of makes the Plan G a no-brainer when you're comparing these two plans side by side. A lot of people today still have these Plan Fs and they don't realize that they could potentially save a lot of money. We're switching over to a Plan G. Anyway, folks, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found it insightful. And if you'd like to work with our organization, we work with all of the largest insurance companies in the insurance industry. We're right here local, here in Utah. We've been working with people for about 25 to 30 years at Christian Brindle Insurance Services / Brindle Insurance Group. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to click the link down below for more information on what we can do for you and the services that our organization offers locally here in Utah. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.